Hey y'all, my name is Yvonne. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make a slick back ponytail hairstyle really quickly on my fussy hair. So let's get into it. For this hairstyle, all you're going to be needing are your edge control. You already know the edge control I use. Easier. You're going to need this brush for your hair. Any hair treatment product that you have. We're not using anything fancy. I'm using a Restore Serum from Nature's Gentle Touch. Your spray bottle, Eco Styling Gel, this hair mousse, and lastly, this is not the actual bottle of this spray, but this above hairspray that is like a hold for hair too, so it makes it hard. Why am I doing all of these things? So that with minimal product, my slick back can last as long as I want it to last. So I'm going to be using a scarf. You can use any scarf that you have. I'm going to be using a scarf after I'm done to hold down the hair. So I'll stop talking now and start doing. So first I took down my old braids to get my hair ready to start this new hairstyle. Here I'm sectioning my hair to have a center part. So I'm going to be working in sections, and for each section that I bring out, I'm going to wet my hair before brushing it, detangling it too, so that I can ensure that it's going to slick back properly. Now that I've detangled every section of my hair, I am going to be packing it into a low bun at the back. I'm applying my products. This is the Restore Serum I spoke about earlier. I'm applying it to slick back the hair. I'm also going to be applying Eco Styling Gel. After the gel, I'm going in with my edge control for a more firm hold. To ensure that my hair is at its slickest, is that even a word? Yes, to ensure my hair is so sleek that it's not going to lift, I go in with this spray, and lastly, I go in with the mousse. Now, I'm doing this because I want to make sure that the hair doesn't lift and it's just perfectly neat throughout the duration I'm carrying it for. So like I said, you can use any scarf that you have. I'm trying to use this scarf because it has this satin silk feel and it's very nice at holding down hair. So I'm going to use it to tie it, and after some time I'm going to take it out to continue the rest of this hairstyle. Time is up. I am taking down the scarf, and you can see how neat my bun is. So next I'm going with this piece of kinky braiding hair, and I'm going to be using it for the bun at the back. With the rubber band, I am going over my bun, and then I'm going to make sure the bun is in the center of the kinky braid extension. So I'm using a piece of the kinky extension to wrap around and secure the bun. At this point, I'm going round with the kinky hair extension to form a bun at the back of my hair. So it is this bun that we are going to be securing as the slick back bun. So I hope this has been very helpful so far. If you've understood this tutorial and if you like this tutorial, I think it's high time that you subscribed and hit the like button. Then also leave a comment telling me, what other hairstyles you'd like to see. So finally, because I didn't use any heat for this hair, I'm going to be tying it with a scarf. And this scarf is going to be used when I'm going to bed or when I'm just around the house. So when I'm going out, I'll take off the scarf and style my hair. So guys, something happened when I was shooting this part of the video. Apparently I was saying a lot of things like subscribe, like, thanks for watching, but my mic was not on and there's no sound, so I'm adding this sound on top. But I'm using this opportunity to tell you thank you for watching this video up until this point. I love you and I appreciate you. Continue watching my videos. I'm going to keep on dropping hair tutorials that will benefit you. But till next time, just hold this video, and I'm so glad that we've gotten to the end. Thank you for watching. Bye, loves.